2018 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, security system, trip computer, compass, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, power windows, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.